Basically, essentially and fundamentally, my interest is only to emphasize that what I have come into, what I have stumbled into, and not to try to free anybody from their teachers, from their beliefs or their particular religious background. That's not my interest. It's just to focus, spotlight that what I have stumbled into is something which is extraordinary for me. Since it is not in the area of an experience, it is something that cannot be shared with anybody. And as a matter of fact, this cannot be fitted into any value system. I have no value for whatever I have stumbled into or whatever I have discovered, and it has no value for the society. So it's there, you see. I don't care whether you listen to me or not, whether they reject what I am saying as absurd nonsense. It doesn't interest me. So that is why when I appear on shows like that, you see, I feel that I have really nothing to say. And it is highly presumptuous on my part to accept these invitations, but it's up to you to bring out whatever you want to bring out from this conversation, if you want to call it a conversation. But this is something like, you say, a highly perfected instrument, you see, highly perfected instrument. It is singularly incapable of striking any false note. So if you notice any false notes here, I'm not blaming you. It's because what you are trying, you see, to how you are trying to play this instrument. So I really, frankly, honestly, I have nothing to say to you or to anybody. As I said, it's highly presumptuous on my part to sit here and to carry on this dialogue or conversation with you. But the only way this can, see, if I say this can, you see, it sounds mystifying. You see, the only way any expression can be made of the way this living organism is functioning is through your medium. So whatever comes out of this is yours and not mine, and I have nothing to do with it. It's up to them to do what they like with what I'm saying, you see. And if they repeat what I'm saying, unfortunately, they become my followers. I have no following at all, you see. People ask me why you are constantly moving. I don't want anybody to stick to me, you see, because I have nothing to offer. If they presume that they are getting something out of their contact with me or making some sense, some meaning out of what I am saying, it is their tragedy. See, unfortunately, remaining silent is one of the traditional ways of communicating things. That's, people will still come and sit around me and they say that they are getting something from me. I tell them, whatever you experience in my presence is your own creation and I have no part to play in that. But still they don't believe that. You don't know what we are getting. The tremendous energy that we feel in your presence is something extraordinary. There is no point in your denying it. I deny that and I have no part to play. I cannot take any credit for whatever experiences they experience in my presence. They can go and tell others, but I'm certain, if I'm certain of anything, it is that I play no part in their experiences, which they feel in my company. They have no way of looking into this mirror. It is reflecting exactly the way the things are. See, it is not distorting.